So what is artificial intelligence? What is machine learning? As well, both terms which have been used a lot as well today and are used a lot in the press. And there are as well a lot, very often people confuse them as well. I think a good definition of artificial intelligence is a system that perceives its environments and is able to take actions to achieve a goal. So it's kind of intelligence demonstrated by machine, which are able to do something like we, as human beings, are considering need a collective effort. We need to work on to think about it to be able to do it. So I think some good example of artificial intelligence in this case will be currently understanding human speech, automatic cars will be good examples. Whereas machine learning is more a specific branch of artificial intelligence that study computer algorithms and are using experience and data to make their predictions. So machine learning is based on mathematics, statistics, advanced statistics, and sometimes as well some biology with neural network, for example. Some output of machine learning will be image processing, video recognitions, email filtering, all these kind of actions which are a result of advanced algorithms. And I think at this stage as well, it's interesting as well to mention the AI effects. And actually, the definition of AI is evolving through times as we, as a human being, are progressing on this field. So AI actually is more defined as something we have not been able to do yet. So we're not very good yet at understanding human speeches. We are not very good yet at driving cars. But once we have done it, actually, people think it's not regarded as intelligence. So I think one of the first examples of this will be Deep Blue, who famously beat the world chess player in '97. And then everyone else as well start to criticize Deep Blue as just being a brute force. He was not clever at all. He was just kind of trying every single possibilities. Then afterward, nowadays as well, you get optical character recognitions, which just maybe 5–10 years ago would have been kind of incredible to be able to recognize handwritings. And nowadays as well, it will be kind of course number 2 in part 2 in a course, a Python course. So very easy, very basic things to do. Nothing at all very intelligent. And the last example, I think as well, which make a big impact was in 2015, so just a few years ago, with AlphaGo beating the world champion in Go. This one has a big impact actually on China, where the game is very famous, because Chinese people consider Go as being one of the most clever game. And so to be able to play Go, you need to be intelligent. So the fact that the machine was able to beat a player was something very big for them. And that's what triggered as well, or one of the main trigger, I think, of the artificial intelligence revolution in China. That was a big wake-up call for them.